Choose socking, no more leaking. With over 30 years of experience, Socking has an unshakable commitment to becoming the leader in leak-proofing products. We specialize in the manufacture of high-pressure grouting machines, hardware tools, and leak-proofing materials. Socking offers one-stop service from research and design to product inspection to meet all customer needs. For many years now, Socking has been excelling at every stage of production, from sourcing quality materials to processing and assembly. For instance, at Socking, the accuracy inspection of the pressure gauges on all grouting machines is a yearly must-do routine. The closed-cell foam used by Socking is far superior to open-cell foam at leakage prevention and treatment, as it is much better at sealing any cracks. We listen to our customers and always deliver the most optimal environment for any location. Choose Socking, no more leaking. Choose Socking, no more leaking.